Two Rivers by Ralph Waldo Emerson. The sigh summer voice mesquite repeats the music of the rain, but sweeter rivers pulsing fierce. To go the a song toward the Concord plain.
So in thy narrow banks are faint, the stream I love unbounded goes through flood and sea and firmament, through light, through life in forward flows.
I see the inundation sweep, I hear the spending of the steam, through years, through men, through nature fleet, through love and through power and dream.
Mosquito quit, a goblin storm, of shower and flying makes Jackal's day. The last day grief for her his long, and where he finds is the day of day.
So force and breathe for my stream, who dread it shall not cease again. No darkness stains and echoes gleam, and I just drop it like rain.